I think overall there are a number of efficiency issues that can be improved on in terms of how we handle cases, policies that are currently in the office that can be tweaked. But overall, I would say an increased focus on offenses against children, specifically sex offenses. Sexual assaults are on the rise against children. That is a devastating crime. It's an issue which completely removes the innocence of the child and devastates the family of the victim. So that's something that we need to put an increased focus on, and not just when that crime occurs, but when that person, say years later, is released from prison. They are likely to reoffend again in many cases. So we have to be watchful, and we have to be vigilant, and we have to do everything we can to keep these types of violent sexual predators off the street. I would say we do the best with what we have. We have obviously a budget that is allocated to us by the commissioners, and we do everything we can to maximize those resources. The type of caseload that we handle, the amount of cases and the volume of cases that we deal with keeps us very busy, and at times it can feel overwhelming. In fact, so I would say there's always room for improvement in that area, but given what we have right now, I think we've done a fair job of handling that caseload and finding reasonable resolutions to cases. I don't think that I would, and there may be exceptions to that, but as a general rule, I don't think that victims of crimes, especially violent crimes and especially sexual crimes, would want their information or any of those details of those crimes made available to the public. Certainly, the media does a very good job of informing the public on relevant issues and on cases that have a higher profile. But as a general rule, I don't think that that information should be freely available to the public. Again, there could be some exceptions to that. And there are also things we can do as far as redacting certain information to protect the privacy of the individuals involved. And I do believe we do that currently.